Okay, so we're at Nova. We're inside Nova. It's a brand new mall. I don't know if I can film in it, but I think I'm gonna try. So let's try it out. Get started. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Beautiful pizza right there. That's what I'm gonna try to get, but I'm on a waiting list of 4 or 5 people. But we're gonna definitely try. So we have all this, that goes out to the parking lot. 68 is a pretty popular chain everywhere. Oriental traffic, rolling luggage. So this place is a little bit new. So a lot of it isn't all the way filled out yet, but it's getting there. So we're just gonna take a little stroll through it, show you what's around. But yeah, this is called Nova. It came about a year ago. The flagship is IKEA, so IKEA is right there. And then you can see, this is kind of a nice little space right here. It's the outside. There's apartments that go all the way up to the top there too. So you got a kitchen, got all kinds of cool stuff. Yeah, it looks nice. Me too. Nice sport, Puma. So you got some shoe shops here. There's a lot of space. I think there's a lot of space to put stuff in, like maybe later they'll put some, like that space right here should be something for kids, right? Originally I thought maybe they put like a skating rink or something. Such a big space. And yeah, this has been slowly filling out. Maybe about a year ago it opened, and IKEA was the first one. CST. MI. This one goes outside, so has an access to outside. I think there's definitely more down here. Hair shop, Bravo. There's a Starbucks down that way. But I think we're gonna go up a little bit. Yeah, IKEA is kind of the flagship. So that was the one that originally got everybody here, and it's been pretty crowded since then. There's Starbucks down that way. Yeah, Starbucks, as you can see. Starbucks, that's the entrance as well. That's one of the entrances. Creative spot. Let's just kind of go up and take a look here. So yeah, Nova Mall, about a year old. So there's part of IKEA right here. So IKEA is 2 stories, and it goes back quite a ways too. It's nice. Also part of IKEA. I think I might go up one more story because there's a food court up there. Oh, here we go. There's also all the. So here's B1, Kids Cavern, Toys R Us, Manning's. This is where we were just at before B1. B2, which is where we're at now. IKEA's kind of the big one. And then up here there's a food court and the second story. So we're gonna go up to the second story and go up. So it's also part of IKEA as well. And you got some cinemas too, coming soon, cinema. Okay. And that's part of IKEA right there. It's also part of IKEA too. There's a hot dog over there, stuff like that. And over here, there's a food court, so let's just kind of walk in real quick. It's kind of quiet tonight. Okay, so you got Hainan chicken from Hainan, China. Guangdong Son Tak. So that one's mostly Chinese as well. This one's Malcanese, so this one you have different kind of cuisines, right? Or mixes, palettes, stuff like that. Malcanese, Portuguese cuisine. Baked spaghetti. Char Siu King. Chinese foods. And over here we got more season's food. That's the view of outside. Thai Taste King. This one is Chinese one. Keep on walking through here. This looks pretty tasty. This one is mixed vegetable rice. Tofu. Okay, one more. Korean, Japanese. And you got Chow cuisine. So you got a handful of them there. You got a Thai, Japanese, Korean, Zen dim sum, spaghetti. Another restaurant, right? Looks real nice in there. Spaghetti. Oh, this is a furniture. I thought it was a restaurant. Furniture. Got another restaurant over there. Let's just take a look down below. Kind of see. Oh yeah, good idea. Japanese one. That could be kind of tasty. And there's still lots more improvements, so there's lots more stuff to do as well. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is the third story. Looks like there's also an IES Espresso that's going to be built soon. Another Korean place right here too. Huh. Korean one looks pretty busy. Korean food is amazing. I really like it, love it. Came about 48, okay. This is the meat, it's about 30 American dollars, 35 American dollars, about 120 American dollars. Actually pretty good. 98 for that. That looks really good too. Definitely will want to come here again. And it looks like there's going to be the cinema over there. And cafe pasta to go. So yeah, they got a lot of nice places in here. So let's just go down. We'll continue just a little bit more. More coming soon. Love Veggie is coming up soon. Kia. And if you go all the way down, there's another one in the basement, a nice grocery store. So I think we'll end it right here. Oh no, we'll go down just a little bit further and we'll start out where we started at the beginning. Shoe shops. I'm actually waiting to be seated at this Ufufu. Kind of want that pizza right there. So we're gonna end right there. Ufufu. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.